It is a spy tracker device, and using it you can monitor anyone's location on Google Map. You can listen to sound around it from anywhere by phone call. You can record sound remotely on an inserted microSD card in it. Dear friends, in this video I am going to show you about the GF-07 GPS tracker in details, about its range, accuracy, functions and its drawback and problems. So let's get started. I made another unboxing and review video of this GPS tracker. You can watch it from here. From this video I heard a lot of response about it. Thanks for all. Some of my friends told me it is not working for some countries. I hope after watching this video you can understand where is the problem. It is the GF-07 GPS tracker. Here is a microphone. It has a built-in battery. In back side it has some magnet. Here is the SIM card slot and here is the micro SD card slot. Here is a micro USB charging socket. You can use any 1A 5V smartphone charger for charging it, but if you are going to charge it, you have to insert the SIM card, otherwise the battery does not take charge. This device like a old mobile phone, but it has not any screen, keypad or speaker. You have to insert a SIM card and SD card. Now it is connected with a mobile tower like a mobile phone. You can get this device location by sending a SMS from another mobile phone. Here are different code SMS for location, record surrounding audio, etc. You can call and hear the surrounding audio also just like a mobile phone. For example, when we call on a mobile phone and if anybody receives the call, then we can hear all sound from mobile mic. Hello. Like this, it automatically receives your call, but this device does not make any ringing sound. It receives your call silently and send its location details as a SMS silently. It does not make any sound or LED indication. The most important things of this device is the SIM card. For this device you need a 2G network supported SIM card. I think it is the main drawback of this device because in many countries 2G network service is obsolete, so there is no 2G network coverage. Here is a very simple trick to know that will this device work in your country or not. If this type of old 2G keypad mobile phone is working in your country, then this GPS device will also work. So you can get location from anywhere in the world where the 2G mobile network is available. In my country, India, Airtel and Vodafone has 4G, 3G and 2G network service, and Jio has only 4G service. So Jio is not working on this device, but Airtel and Vodafone working fine. Before inserted the SIM card, you have to remove all SIM lock, PUK lock from your SIM card. You need a minimum balance for sending SMS and receiving call. No need any other subscription fee for this tracker. Now I am inserting the SIM card. You can see the red LED is indicating. And now the micro SD card. This device has not any on-off switch. The SIM card works like a switch. When you inserted a SIM card, then the device turns on. At the first time, it takes 30 seconds to 1 minute to register to the network. How to use and the SMS code. For operate this device, you need a mobile phone or smartphone which can send SMS and make call. I am going to operate the tracker with this smartphone. So at first I have to pair the smartphone number with this tracker. So for pairing your phone, send 000 to this tracker SIM card number. The tracker is replied set binding with the smartphone number. That means my phone is now paired with this tracker. It will work only with this phone. To know the location, send 777 to tracker SIM number. Sometimes it takes about 1 minute for getting the location and sometimes responds quickly. It is a problem. Now I received the current location of this tracker. Its accuracy not very good. It depends on mobile network. It shows around 50 to 500 meters away from exact location. It has not any app for Android. You can see the location details in any browser using Google Map. Its another interesting feature is phone call. When I am calling to this tracker SIM number, it is automatically receive the call silently and I can hear all sound from tracker mic. The next feature is recording to SD card. When I will send 555, the tracker will replying recording is starting. Now it is recording audio in SD card. It has some more small features, but I think those are not useful. If you want to know more, you can download the user manual from link in this video description. Its standby time is about 3 days. If you continue make call, then it will work about 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you have any question about this tracker, please write in comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.